Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw an egg. So let's get started. First, I will draw an egg shell here. Draw an oval shape. Slowly. Two round big eyes. Inside with a circle and another smaller circle. Then we will draw the details. A curve here. And here too. Three lines inside. And the mouth. A curve. Inside with a line. And color it red here. Now we have a cute egg. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.